Welcome back, students. Before we start working in R, I would like to give you some overview of the steps, pre-processing steps that we are going to do in R. So Landsat 8 is usually delivered as tar archived file. If you are not familiar with this type of the data, I encourage you to Google it or go to the Wikipedia, click on this link, and then you could see the note about this on Wikipedia. So this star archived file always contains spectral bands as individual georeference TIFF images. What we would like to do, we would like to stack these images into a single GeoTIFF file, so into a so-called raster stack in R. Afterwards, it is much easier to work with such a raster stack. While this could also be done in QGIS, we will use R for this preprocessing because it is easier to automate things in R rather than in QGIS. This results in the following intermediate steps we have to do before in R. So we have to unzip our downloaded Landsat 8 files, put together the spectral bands files of your choice into a raster stack, save this raster stack to your hard drive, and there are two optional steps. One optional step is to delete all redundant data, and the second optional step is to create pyramid layers for better visualization in QGIS, but this, as I said, you can also do it in QGIS itself. We will practice everything on the basis of single Landsat 8 data or image that is provided in the material section for this video. So please download this data, and based on that we will develop a script that will automatically do everything for you in the future. Also, make sure that you have installed R and RStudio and you are familiar with the basic concept of R. Otherwise, it will be quite difficult for you to grab the essence of the code. But since I have provided you a crash introduction to R and all information how to install R and RStudio in the previous sections, I don't think it should cause any problems. So let's get started.